What's going on, my beautiful people from YouTube? Let's talk about the DPR network. More specifically, we're going to cover three little points. First one is going to be how to stake on the Binance Smart Chain. Secondly, well, you need DPR, so how to move your DPR across chains, because you're going to need that to stake on the Binance Smart Chain. Last but definitely not least, ran across a Metaverse, treat for the DPR network. Found their headquarters on the Metaverse, and I want to show you guys what that's all about. I posted a picture earlier on Twitter, but I want to show you the whole thing now. This is like a little tour. And to start out, as always, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you know I'm able to provide a little bit of value and help the channel grow. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, smash that sub button because it does go a long way in making sure that more people find the channel. Let's get right into it, because at the end of the day, I want to make sure I give you guys good info, and starts here. Like I always say with the DPR network, if you're not in the DPR network yet, I recommend it because I like it. Not financial advice ever, but I really like their product. I'm using it right now. Every time I record a video, you guys know that my unit is on. I am earning DPR tokens and I'm being protected by their firewall, as well as like all the ad blocking and filtering that goes along with it. So it's a great product. If you guys don't know about it, go to DPR.network and check it out. You're going to be pleasantly surprised if you have not heard about it yet. But here's the way that I make sure that I'm not doing clickbait. If you stake at 100,000 DPR, you can earn at the 15-cent mark where we're at right now. You can earn $9 grand, a year with those staking tokens. I will try to do as much as I can today, but we'll see how far we get. But it's not clickbait. You can earn $9 grand at the current token price. And again, I told people to buy in. I didn't tell people to buy in. I was going that too far with that. But I told people I was buying in at 5 cents. Now we're at 15, so that's 300% increase. And it's just a start. So let's keep at it. This is what we're doing right now. We're going to talk about the Binance Smart Chain, setup for the DPR network. However, this was really not pretty. So I made this one instead. So the DPR network and the Binance Smart Chain combo here. It's a better graphic, so I figured I'd put it together. First things first, you need to make sure that you actually have the Binance Smart Chain on your wallet, right? Like you need to have access to it. So first thing you want to do is make sure you pull out your MetaMask wallet on your computer and set this up. Right here on the top, you have the Ethereum mainnet, and you also have different chains, and you have the smart chain, which I already put in. But how do you do it? How do you go about doing this? Well, what you're going to do, you're going to click that add network button on the bottom of there, and you're going to be taken to this right here. And this is a really important warning, and I want to remind everybody of this. Anybody can create a token. Make sure you're grabbing the right info. I'm going to put the info on the description so that you have exactly what it is that you need to add in here, which is the network name, the chain ID, the symbol will pop in automatically, but the RPC URL and the block explorer. This is what I have in there already. So go ahead and click on my smart chain. This is it, smart chain. There's the URL, there's the chain ID, the symbol, as well as the block explorer. That's all you need to get yourself onto that blockchain. So if we go back to my wallet and I click there and I go to Smart Chain, it swaps over and you can see that I have a little bit of BNB in here. This is my wallet for the Binance Smart Chain. Now, what's missing here is the actual token. So I need to import tokens. I'm going to go ahead and import a token, and you're going to need the contract address, which is really important. Anybody can create a token. So remember, make sure you get the right one. As soon as I put that in there, I know it's right because it gave me the token symbol is DPR and the token decimal is 18. I'm going to go ahead and add custom token. Import token. Beautiful. Now I have my DPR. I don't have any transactions yet, which is expected, but we'll get to that. Now, let's keep going. That was just part one. Part two, we got to make sure we register with a basic mining. And this is specifically the Binance Smart Chain mining registration. And I'm going to put in my information in here, put in my email. The image code is exactly what we see here on this image. The verification code gets sent to your email. So I'll show you how to get that one in just a second. I'm going to put in a password, confirm a password, my wallet address for the Binance Smart Chain, as well as these two little items right here, which is the registration login, which is found right underneath of your, here, bring it up, right underneath your login page, as well as the serial number, which have turned out to actually now be the same. Right? Crazy. But let me go ahead and type this stuff in. I'm going to put these details in here, and I'm probably going to speed it up so that you're not sitting through here having to watch me do all of this little annoying stuff. Here we go. All right, so I just clicked that send verification code. Now what I need to do is actually go to my email and grab that verification code that's going to be sitting in my inbox. Now I'm going to hit submit, and we should be good to go. Registration, register successfully. Gonna go ahead and sign in. As soon as you sign in for the first time, you're going to get this prompt that says you need to create a deeper chain wallet first. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and I'm going to create the wallet, which is this button right in the middle of the screen here. Create wallet. Please write down your mnemonic phrase and keep it online in a safe place. Oh, offline, not online. Don't keep it online. Keep it offline. So make sure you write these words down as well as download your private key and keep it safe. Don't keep it online anywhere. Make sure it is offline and in a location where you're going to remember. Now, it's going to ask me to go ahead and actually put these words back in order because they want to make sure I wrote these down, and it's kind of important. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. All right, here we go. Success. Now that I created a wallet on the deeper chain for my device, I can go ahead and actually get mining. Right here it says this is important for you guys to know. Mining active. My mining is not active. I need to actually bring my unit onto the blockchain, and to do that, I need to stake 1,000 DPR. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this choose plan, and the first thing that I need to do is actually stake. But I can't stake because if we go back to my wallet, here, MetaMask, I'm going to go ahead and click next, connect. Do, 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 do. What's happening? What's going on? Oh, I think I know. Here's the problem. I don't have any DPR tokens on this wallet. So I need to actually bridge from my Ethereum wallet, which is going to be, let me see if I can just swap out here, Ethereum. So in my Ethereum wallet, here we go. I do have plenty of DPR, but I don't have anything on my other wallet. So how do we do that? This is point number 2 for you guys. I'm actually going to go ahead and go to the swap, here. So deeper chain bridge. Now take a look at this. They're already saying, hey, if you hate gas fees, go ahead and go to the Binance Smart Chain because you're not going to pay as many fees as Ethereum. They're dead on. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to transfer from my Ethereum to my Polkadot wallet, which is a deeper chain. And then I'm going to do it again from the deeper chain onto Binance. The other option you have to bring your tokens out of whatever network it is via, let's say an exchange. So like, for example, KuCoin, you could send your DPR tokens from KuCoin directly to the Binance Smart Chain, which is super cool. But I'm just thinking not everybody has it. So let me show you how to do it the more expensive way. And if we go here, you're going to, I'll just do it. So I'm going to do 21, 1,000 DPR. And this is what's going to happen. And when I click out, there's a limit of 20,000. So 20,000 DPR a day trial run. Kind of stinks because I would have to do multiple transactions, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and hit send. I need my chain, my wallet address. Now, I've talked about Polkadot before, and I'm going to actually link a video on a card right up here that you can see how to get this wallet generated and imported in to your Polkadot extension. I'm going to go ahead and paste my chain wallet. I'm going to hit send. And it's going to ask me to sign and pay a bunch of fees. So let's check this one out here. What are they going to make me pay? Oh, God, it's $248. That's crazy. Let me try this again. Uh, that's a lot of money. So going through an exchange is going to be the best way for you guys to go about doing this because you're not going to end up paying these insane fees. Um, I'm at a point right now of no return because I do want to make this video and show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm and bite the bullet on $250. When people ask me if I've made more money or lost more money when it comes to YouTube and all that, yeah, not making money. I'm definitely losing money here. A lot of money, but it's worth it. While this is rolling, because it does take a little bit, because again, each swap requires 12 block verifications on the network. Let me talk to you guys. It's sent. So it went, but it's not actually recorded. Let me talk to you guys about this here. So this is an image I posted to my Twitter that shows Deeper Network store on the Metaverse. And nobody showed me this. I actually stumbled upon it. And I want to show you what this looks like while my little verification here kind of sets up. All right, 20,000, that kind of went. We'll see. So deeper chain to Ethereum bridge, and I'll check on that in a second. But let's take a look at this. So this is not a picture. This is the actual metaverse, and this is the virtual space for Deeper Network that I found. Again, I can tell you that this is older because you can see that this says the polka dot substrate, and there are little lines on all of the globe. Because if you go back to the website now, they took the lines away. I mean, it runs a little smoother without the lines, but you can see that this here has the lines still. Now, this is a video. I haven't been able to actually click and get this thing to play. I'm guessing it was supposed to be playing. I still can't figure out who actually owns this, but I will track it down. Second floor, it does get they have the whole Polkadot and Deeper. They have the description for Atom OS, DPR liquidity staking. So you know this is older because it was liquidity staking time. Let me check all the monitors. All right, check the monitors now. Let me go up. Now take a look at this. This was out a while ago. So this is the mini. I'm sorry, this is the nano. This is the Genesis Go. This is one big gold bar that they put in. Oh, there's one plug on one side. So did they put it on the other? Nope, they only put it on one side. And then they have the PICO right here. Yeah. I don't know how old this is, but we can see the stuff from, March 26th, 22nd, 23rd, IDO launches back there. And then on the top, rooftop here, I actually like the whole way they did the floor with the E right there. And then you have a glass floor on here and some couches. I am really curious because I literally stumbled upon this while looking at another project. So now I want some land. That's the thing. Like right now, I'm not going to be able to afford land. I mean, I just wasted $250 trying to get the money staked. Anyhow, but this is the store. This is the headquarters that I was saying. Does Eric Ma own it? I want one. I want a little store. But yeah, if you guys were wondering what this is all about, it's on Crypto Voxels. And yeah, I'll share a link with the location and everything else like that so you guys can actually take a look at it too. Let me take a look here. All right, where are we at? Ooh, success. So I have 20,000 DPR and it says success. That's good. Let me open my other browser here and do 34, 34, 34, 34. Log in. I'm going to go ahead and close. All right, so if now we go to my wallet, you can see that I have 23,500 DPR tokens in my Deeper Chain wallet. This is the wallet that I'm going to use to actually do some moving around with. Now that I have the money in here, what I can do is actually go back to this. Where are we at? Right here. And you see how it says Ethereum bridge to Deeper Chain? I'm going to click. I haven't clicked this button. I'm going to go ahead and click the Binance Smart Chain button. It gives me instructions. Don't worry about the instructions. What you want to do is click on your MetaMask wallet. And on the top right-hand corner, go ahead and switch to Smart Chain. That, the network that we added right before we got to this part. And it automatically swapped it out. All right. Now, I just need to swap this. Right now, it's set to Binance Smart Chain to Deeper Chain. I'm going to go ahead and swap. All right, now we're a Deeper Chain to Binance Smart Chain. So what I'm going to do is actually transfer money from my Genesis wallet to my Binance Smart Chain wallet. And again, there's a 20,000 maximum. I'm not going to do a whole 20. I'm going to do 6 just to start out with. I'm going to do 6. Now let's just do 20, whatever. Let's do the whole thing. There we go. I'm going to hit send. Now my wallet, you see how there's going to be a little number on the top, and it's going to ask me to confirm my transaction. So I have to put in my password to say, yes, you can go ahead and send stuff over. Do I give permission for it to access my, yeah, I give you permission. And it's only 22 cents, better than 250. I'm going to confirm. Really hope this doesn't fail. I just dropped my chair there. I don't know if you saw that. Might cut it out. All right, so I waited long enough to where it gave me a new prompt. Look at this. New address detected. Clicked add to address book. Barely cost anything. All right, didn't go through. Let me try this again. See if that first interaction was simply me setting up and saying, yeah, you can go ahead and transfer tokens. This is a real thing. Let me give it one more shot. Let me see if I'm doing something wrong or I messed up. Header not found. So I'm going to guess that it actually already went and I need to wait to see that balance change. All right, so I was trying to do that again and it didn't work because, hey, my tokens are gone. Got a little warning, little error. So what now? Well, I guess you got to be patient when it comes to the blockchain. Let's take a look here. DPR. Don't see any DPR yet. Transfer information. Okay. I'm going to refresh, see if I can see anything on here. Aha, there we go. So if you scroll down, you're going to see this. It's going to say transfer records and it's say where it was from, where it's to, and we can go ahead and click that withdraw button. And I'm going to go withdraw. Should ask me to sign. There it is. So it's going to say, hey, you okay signing this thing? It's going to cost you some BNB. Yeah, let's do it. Confirm. Again, you guys got to remember, anytime there's a little delay in there is because I got to throw my screen to the other side because I think you guys are not seeing what I was seeing. So let me throw that over. Transition. Yep, I clicked that withdraw button there on the right side. That's what I just clicked on, by the way. And it just loaded and it just disappeared. It's waiting for some network confirmation. So you might not see it right away the same way that we didn't see it earlier with the other piece, but it is going, like it's working in the background. So if you go into assets now, there's my DPR. It arrived in my MetaMask wallet. That means we can go back to step 1 and go ahead and stake. So going back here, I'm going to go ahead and choose a plan. All right, now that we have DPR in our wallet, we can actually do this. And there's a little button right here on the bottom says, if you have not yet activated mining function, please wait patiently for the review or directly pledge upgrade. If you have activated the mining function but still can't see the mining backend in your device, make sure your backend system has been updated to the latest and restart the device. Now, we can do one of two things. I can click this only stake 1,000 DPR and essentially start earning a credit score, or I can skip the line and go ahead and stake more and get a higher credit score. I will tell you, this unit that I'm staking for is actually my brother's because I need a unit to stake with. I was hoping to surprise him with a 300, maybe even a 400 or 500 credit score. But no, I could only transfer 20. So we're going to go ahead and stake at that 200 mark for right now because that's all I have in there and that's all I can do. And you see what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and hit the stake button. All right, now I get to confirm that I will be staking 6,000 tokens. Tells me that I have 20,000 in my wallet. I'm going to go ahead and just click that stake button. My wallet first needs to be authorized, right? So it's going to give me a little prompt saying, hey, can we touch DPR in your wallet? I'm going to go ahead and confirm for 22 cents. Insufficient funds to fund gas. How much BNB do I have? I mean, half a BNB should be enough. My MetaMask is connected. All right, let me try this once again. I just brought it up. I don't just in case, just see maybe I messed something up. All I did there was actually increase a little bit of my gas. I love when things fail in front of you guys. It's like you guys get to see me struggle because I know a lot of you go through the same thing, but usually it's like this perfect little show that gets put online, and it's not always how it works. Promise you that's not how it works. I mean, even before I started recording, I had to restart because stuff started crashing on me. But right now we are loading, and if we go up here to my MetaMask wallet and I go, all right, so I did approve spending DPR, so I can only interact with this again when this is ready. It requires that approval to go in first before I can actually go ahead and stake the 6,000 tokens that I've selected here. So we're basically waiting, and we're going to speed it up. Transaction was not mined within 50 blocks. Please make sure the transaction was properly sent. Be aware that it might still be mined. Yeah, of course it's going to still be mined. I sent it in. It's loading. Let's speed this up. Let's throw some money at it. Save. I don't know if you guys have ever done this inside of MetaMask, but you do have the option of actually speeding up transactions by essentially, adding more gas to it. All right, so now we see that approved DPR spending limit is actually, it's got these little two checks on it, which means that, hey, we can actually use it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the stake button again. This time, it will allow us to actually stake the money or the DPR tokens. And look at the same thing again. Estimated gas fees, okay, great. And go ahead and confirm. And it's the same idea. Blocks close a lot faster on Binance Smart Chain, but it does require more time sometimes just because of the amount of transactions that are going through there. But this should be pretty quick. Again, you saw how long the other one took, and you can always, and this is what I remind people, inside of your MetaMask wallet, under activity, you can see what's going on. There's a contract interaction that's taking place, and it tells me if it's done or not. If it's pending, relax, don't worry about it. You're going to see it soon. So keep that in mind when you're waiting for something to take place. Well, we are in. If that was helpful at all, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm because at the end of the day, like that's the only reason the channel grows. It's the reason why we're where we're at today. So I love this community. You guys are phenomenal. Thank you so much for the support. And I will definitely pick at least one comment from down below to give away an NFT or maybe some DPR. So make sure you do that because, on the channel, that's how we roll. We try to give stuff away here. Also, if you guys don't know about the PICOs yet, they're still for sale on Kickstarter and they're technically free if you do what I told you guys to do. So here's what I'm talking about. If you buy, let me scroll. If you buy this option right here, which is the 10 sets plus the combo, the Wi-Fi adapters, they will credit you in DPR for the amount for the price of the DPR token today, which is kind of awesome because that means that yes, your money's locked up for a little while, but who cares? Like if you're able to get the money back, it's a win-win. I like the project, so I went ahead and did buy this because I want to support what's going on. If you use my link, I do benefit from it. I don't know how yet. I don't have the details as far as what I would be getting back, but hey, it is what it is. That's the link is there, and I'm not telling you to do something. I'm telling you what I did because I think it's totally worth it. Something else, if you guys want to get one of these Deeper Connect minis, the Fast Miners does have them, and if you use the coupon code ACTION, you get a discount. The link's down below as well if you want to get yourself a Deeper Connect mini and stake to start earning DPR right away. This is the way to go. This thing is worth it, in my opinion, just for the features itself, not even the mining capabilities of it. That's just like a bonus, I guess you can say, because the way it works, it's already worth it for me, at least, you know. So I know I already talked about that YouTube algorithm, smashing the like button, leaving a comment, but y'all are gonna do it anyway because you're all awesome. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. No, I didn't forget. So I told you guys that I was going to pick a winner from this video last time around. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link, put the link right there. Actually, I already pasted it in duplicate users. I'll close this out here. I'm going to get YouTube comments. This is how we do it after credits. We give stuff away. Look at that. 26 people. You know what that means? That your odds of winning are really, really high. Hopefully I don't get any spam here, which is super likely. John T, bro, I am so pumped that you're the one that got this. Hit me up on Discord. I got something special for you. Actually, we'll do two things. We'll do some tokens and an NFT. Let's do both. Let's do both for this one. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is how we roll on the channel. Just trying to get you guys as much cool stuff as possible, because at the end of the day, I'm in this position that I am today because of you, and giving back feels stinking amazing. And here's what I'll say: if you write DPR to the moon in your comment, I'm gonna do more than one drawing. Let's do this. The first drawing will be anybody, but then the drawings after that, it will be anybody that has DPR to the moon inside of their comments. So put that in there so you can actually enter to win even more times. So that will make it more fun. And I don't know about tomorrow, but maybe on Wednesday, maybe, you know, not tomorrow, but the day after, I'm gonna have something really, really cool to show you all. I'm working on right now, and hopefully I can get around to finishing it, because again, it's always a process. But thank you so much for the support. Y'all are awesome. Connect with me on Discord, Twitter, or everywhere else. If y'all have questions and want to find out more stuff about the things that we do and the things that we invest in, and the loads of fun that I'm having, even when token prices drop. There's a good thing for you to do when you see any discounts and sales like that. So y'all are great. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.